Hello everyone. I've been asked to make a quick tutorial on how I made this skirt look like that. It's really an identical path, one underneath that is a solid color and another one with some transparency, some lower opacity. Looks like I've got this one is at 29% to make it look really nice. If that's up to 100%, it can look a little bit silly. So blending it in with the color underneath is a really important touch. I've got Isabella's monster right here with a dress. And so I've got this path that's got a pink fill. To copy it, I'm going to drag it down to the new button. New layer button just duplicates that path, and then I can select it. Now there are a lot of color libraries here. If you click on the little library books, you'll see a bunch of them. Just as an example, what we have here are colors that are common in beverages, and you can just cycle through, see lots of different color libraries. And one of these libraries is the patterns. I'm going to go with the basic patterns here, and these are very small thumbnails. You can make them bigger right here. So you can see these, and we can change the fill to a pattern. Notice that we can see through and around these circles. So a lot of these patterns do have transparency built in, and then if you lower the opacity as well, then you can blend it in. We've got plenty more to choose from in here. These are small again, so sometimes if in a new book you have to make that big again. So you can see lots of different possibilities. And then we get into the colored swatches here, where I can make those large again. And you can again see that color through a lot of these. Now with this one, I would lower this opacity, and then I could try different colors on the fill underneath. You can use these if you like, or you can double click and choose any color. Find something that you like and blend it just as much as you think it should be, and just make sure you've got the right one selected. Again, there are a lot more of them. I believe some of these can be pretty interesting. If you want to blend two of them, you just make another copy and change the pattern on top of that one. So have fun with it.